Hey everyone, welcome back to the That and Flutter tutorial series. In this video we are going to cover variable, dart, types and operator, and that three essential concepts you will use every single day in coding. Let's get started. Variables are like containers that store data. In that you can declare them using var, finder, constant or with a specific type. So we declare some variable. So where name equal alias that automatically understand its string. Integer age equal 25. Here we explicitly say it's an integer. Final country equal India. Once assigned, this cannot be changed. Constant p 23.40. A constant fixed as compile time. Or when we reassign it, let's do age equal 26. It's okay, but when we use a binary variable in reassign its value, so it's throw error. Okay, so we assign country equal USA. See, it's throw error. What's error? The final variable country can only be the set once. Try making container. Okay, so when we use final keyword, it's only as an value at once time. Okay, let's move to dart types. Dart has different types of data. Let's see them with example. Okay, so first of all we see with integer score 100. So okay, then we use double temperature 36.6, then string greeting equal hello dot. Also use boolean is logged in equal false. Okay, integer stores whole numbers like 100. Double stores decimal values like 36.6. String stores tags inside quotes. It's double quotes. Also, boolean stores true or false value. Okay, this is basic data type. Let's move to the data type like list. And we use string names like fruits. Okay, we give some value apple, banana. Okay, so see, a list is an ordered collection. You can access items using its index like its variable names and its index like print fruits in 0. It must print apple. Okay, so we just run it.